Hey, it's G here, Gayon in Cali, California. Woohoo! Welcome to my daily tip for today, guys. Daily health tip, all about healthy lifestyle. So today I'll be talking about fitness tips for beginners, okay? So this is the WebMD article I'll be sharing today. You can find all the articles I cover is in my Healthy You page. The link is in the description. You can go there and just grab the articles that I cover from WebMD. 99% of the information I share with you guys, I get from WebMD. Fitness tips for beginners. So we're in a brand new year here. It's 2018. We're in the third week of January. We just started this new year, 2018. So I know a lot of people are on a weight loss journey. You want to do better. You want to improve your health. You just want to be better. Hopefully, improve upon yourself. So today I'm going to share some tips to you regarding fitness. So if you need to lose some weight, you want to feel better about yourself, then striving to get fit is going to help you, feel better about yourself, right? We're not going for marathons. We're not professional athletes here. We're just striving to do better, striving to improve our health, just to do better every day. So here's the thing. So here's some tips here for fitness tips for beginners. Take the first step. Maybe you're not going to be a superstar athlete, but you can still set a big fitness goal for yourself, even if you never tried a sport before. Examples of fitness goals could be a century ride, a 100-mile bike ride in less than a day, or you could train for a triathlon, a series of 3 endurance events, often swimming, cycling, and running, or join a sports league. Okay, so again, this is for those of you that want to be fit. So we're giving some tips here for beginners. If you're thinking about wanting to be in your body, then these tips are for you. Get out of your comfort zone. First, consider the possibilities. There are lots of activities you could try, and you might discover you like something you never thought you did. Want to train for something really tough and out of your comfort zone? Check out some race events like Warrior Dash, Tough Mudder. They're rugged obstacle courses where you slog through mud and water, scale walls, and combat crawls through tunnels. That sounds like a like a military boot camp for me. That's really out of your comfort zone. Anyway, so there you go. Okay, start with small goals. Start with small goals. You may have a big goal you want to reach one day, like a marathon. The best way to get there is to set a series of smaller goals that lead to your big goal. For example, before you sign up for a marathon, set goals to do a few 5K races first. And before that, work up to running a mile. Fitness apps can help you get track of each great things you do on your way to your big goal. So what's the point here? You're going to start with small goals. Mix things up. You may get bored doing the same workout every day. After you do the same activity all the time for 6 to 8 weeks, your muscles adapt to it. You burn fewer calories and build less muscle. Try interval training. Step up to your pace before a minute, then slow down and repeat. Try strength training and cardio activities like swimming, indoor cycling, and kickboxing. So when you're exercising, getting fit, it's true. You got to mix things up. You can't do the same routine over and over again. It becomes immune to it, and then your muscles aren't toning anymore. You're not getting the results you need. So we got to mix things up, switch things around. Okay, get your doctor's okay. If you're not active now, talk to a doctor before you start exercising if you're over 45 or 50, over 45 for men or 55 for women. It's also a good idea to get a doctor's okay if you have a health problem or take regular medication to avoid injuries and burnout. Try starting out slowly, 3 days a week for 10 to 15 minutes. Then gradually add time and intensity. Okay, so start slow and talk to your doctor first if you have any health issues. Eat and drink for fuel. Exercise burns extra calories and raises your metabolism. So eat every couple of hours. 3 meals plus healthy snacks. Before a workout, snack on carbs, juice, fruit, yogurt for fast energy. After a long, tough workout, replenish with a carb protein mix, like a peanut butter sandwich for a smoothie or a smoothie. Otherwise, keep your meals and snacks light. Try an apple and peanut butter, yogurt and nuts, or eggs and a whole wheat toast. So you want to eat or drink because if you're burning calories, you're exercising regularly, You have to make sure you replenish. But replenish with with smart ideas, smart eating habits. Okay, drink enough water. Unless your workout is really long or tough, you don't need a special sports drink with electrolytes. Water works just fine. Drink plenty. If you're dehydrated, your muscles may cramp, and you raise your risk of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. 2 hours before you exercise, drink about 2 to 3 cups of water. During your routine, drink about 1 cup every 10 to 20 minutes. Keep drinking after you're done exercising too. So drinking your water is very crucial if you're exercising regularly. You definitely want to replenish, hydrate yourself. Do strength training. Even if your goal, a marathon for example, might center on cardio, you should practice strength or resistance training. 2. Strong muscles burn more calories, help prevent injuries, and build stronger bones. Work muscles on weight machines with handheld equipment like free weights, kettlebells, or resistant bands, or by doing exercises like push-ups. Rest each muscle group, such as biceps and triceps, at least 2 days between strength workouts. So you want to, in addition to your cardio, you want to do at least 2 days of strength training where you're building those muscles, you're toning up. Resistance training, push-ups, squats, etc. So 2 days, 20 minutes each is great, just good enough for a week. Okay. Dress for comfort. You need the right clothes and shoes when you work out. It's not about looking good, although that can't hurt. It's about feeling comfortable. It's no fun to walk, run, or bike if you have flapping sleeves or flimsy shoes. Ask the expert at a sporting goods store for help. Look for fabrics that draw moisture away from your body, not sweat-absorbing cotton. In cool temperatures, wear layers that can peel off as you warm up. Okay, so dress for comfort. Again, we're talking about fitness tips for beginners. Learn proper form. Whether you're running or weightlifting, it's easy to get hurt if your form or technique is wrong. Don't assume you're exercising the right way, especially if your routine is causing you pain. If your gym has trainers or fitness staff, they may be able to watch your exercise and give you advice on improving your technique. Or you can read fitness magazines or find online videos that show correct techniques. Now, I do videos, so I like online videos, YouTube especially. I learned, when I do exercise, sometimes I do exercise with YouTube videos because I want to make sure I'm using the right technique. I don't want to injure myself. So there you go. Great quick tips here for those of you who want to start to do some kind of fitness. These are tips for beginners. Start slow, set realistic goals. If you're over 55, you're a woman, you're over 55. Guys, if you're over 45, check with your doctor. Make sure it's okay if you're on medications, if you have heart disease, whatever health issues. You may want to talk to your doctor first before you start, a fitness plan.